In this segment, we are posting a blog in draft mode in Active Rain. We're going to enter the content in what you see and what you get. Just as a step back, you're going to need to open up 2 windows for Active Rain and then a couple windows one for each of the different sources for your media, one in Flickr or YouTube. Okay, you're going to make your initial formatting changes. Then you're going to change to HTML mode. You can add your pictures, add your video, add your map of your listings, and your current postlets. And then you'll save in draft mode and send email to agent for review. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and go to that. Here we go. For Muse. Do all that. So here's a title. And I repeated the title here, and I bolded it. It's important that you bold. Remember, SEO is going to pick up on all that stuff. I bolded all the keywords that I found in there. And then also, I'm repeating this because we're trying to develop an organic search for that. Now, for Flora Muse, I added also a link to it. Now watch. You have the link one time. The title is going to be very similar to what it's before. Houston Area Real Estate Guide, the restaurant name and the location, zip code. Okay. If you hit that and hit that, you'll see it's going to keep that in memory. So if you have to do it multiple times, it's real easy. I also did City Center, which is another link. I added the word link and spelled it out. It's important to do that. Video. And then the rest is just kind of your standard. There is a template. There's a thing called template, which you can use as, when you edit it, just cut and paste it out and copy that to your next, when you do a new blog. When you hit new blog, you can cut and paste this thing and then modify it as needed, so at least you have the general format. The next thing you're going to do is you add your tags. Make sure you have all your tags based on the information that's provided in the keyword section, and then you're going to check all your specific posts. Okay, and this is important that you do all that. Okay, so at this point, what we're going to do is we're complete with the content piece of it. Now we're going to make it look pretty by adding pictures and things like that. So let's go ahead first and switch over. Make sure you post it. You must post it. That's important. Okay. So go back in there under the must see. Okay. Now we're going to change to HTML. So kind of remember where you're at. 77024, and then the video is the next piece. So first part we're going to do right now is HTML. Okay, it looks a little crazy. So right there, you'll see the paragraph tag ends the paragraph for the first part. And what we're going to do is pull in the pictures from Flickr. So I picked a picture here, and I basically wanted to share this, grab the HTML BB code, and what you're going to do is plop it right there. Okay, remember where that is. Now let's check. Let's post it and see what happens. Okay, that's a little bit too big, so that's not right. So we're going to go back and figure out the smaller version of it. Maybe the smaller version. There you go. Change it, cut and paste it, go back. Now we have to make sure you're cut and pasting the exact section. And let's do that again. So basically you're just cutting and pasting. It should be fairly straightforward. Okay, good. So it looks good. So we had to add a couple more. I think we have 3 of these to add. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. These are all really pretty ones. So open link a new window. I searched for Flora and Muse. You would have had taken care of that before. Share this, grab code, change to small. Great, cut. Go back in here, edit. And what you're going to do is you're just going to stack them side by side. So right there, that's this next one. And then let's while we're at it, let's go ahead and pull the next one here. Right click, open the window. That's pretty. Okay, and then put that in there. And one more. And I like this chandelier, it's kind of cool. And we're going to do that. Last one. All right, so it should be 4 pictures. And hopefully, and you're still doing this in draft mode, remember, right? Draft mode. Okay. Too big. Not right. So this is where we're going to have to kind of look for the one. It's the third one. So that's a ref, that's 2. The third one, this is it. And it says width is 179 by 240. Oh, here's the width. 374. That's not the right width. Okay, so it's the third picture. This is 1. A ref. This is 2. And this is 3. Okay, so the width on the other ones are 179 by 240. So we can physically change it. All right, let's see if that works. All right, perfect.